Hello my lovelies, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making arroz con piña, or a rice with pineapple drink. We're going to do it Salvadorian style, so I hope you enjoy. It's very fruity, it's very light, so let's begin. I'm going to start off by cutting the top of my pineapple. Next I'm going to get my pineapple core slicer and remove all of the fruit. I forgot to mention earlier that I had pre-washed the skin, so now I'm just going to slice it. So in a big cooking pot, I'm going to add all of the pineapple skin. I'm going to add some rice, some cinnamon, some cloves, and some nutmeg. I'm going to add a liter of water, which is roughly 4.5 cups, place a lid on it, and bring everything to a boil. I'm going to boil this until the rice is fully cooked. In the meantime, your house is going to be smelling like heaven. Pineapple, cinnamon, cloves, what a mix. Once everything is cooked, you want to make sure that it has cooled down significantly before placing it in the blender. Once in the blender, we're going to blend away until it becomes a puree. We're then going to take our delicious puree and we're going to strain it, moving it constantly with a spoon, making sure that all of the liquid falls down into our pitcher. We're going to continue stirring until we absolutely get all of the juices out of the puree. Stir, 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 and stir until we get a dry type of pulp, so kind of something like this. Now for the final touch, I'm adding in about a cup of sugar, but I'm doing it in parts because I want to make sure that I don't over-sweeten it. And voila! After a full night of refrigeration, because this drink is served cold, we have our delicious arroz con piña, or rice with pineapple drink. And here I am again with my trusty volunteer.
Hello!
This time we're going to see what he thinks about el arroz con piña salvadoreño.
Well, I'm gonna try and I'm gonna see how it tastes. So, let me see. Oh my god, it's really good. I recommend you. The taste of the pineapple is not too sweet, but it's really good.
Okay, so I passed the test one more time. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video. We will be back with many more to come. Stay safe, please subscribe and like. See you soon.